Right, so today I'm just going to take you for a little ride in the Pioneer 700. Got about 10 miles on it, so it's not really even broke in yet. The accessories that I have on the Pioneer so far are a roof, windshield, and the rear panel, and then a bunch of other little electronic accessories. But I just thought some of you looking to maybe buy a Pioneer 700 would want to see a little bit of video of how it runs. Mine's the deluxe model with power steering. It has these paddle shifters. I'm of the opinion that paddle shifters don't do you a whole lot of good with only a 3-speed manual transmission, but the ability is there. If you want to shift manually, you just flip it into manual mode and do that. I'm going to take us for a little ride back on some gravel dirt roads. So let's get it going. Did a lot of things to try and quiet this machine down, but it's still rather loud. So you're gonna have to have a conversation with someone sitting next to you. You'd have to talk pretty loud. Top speed is computer limited at about 45 miles an hour, between 43 and 45 miles an hour. It'd be nice if it had 4 gears. It could go a little bit faster. First gear is very low, which is good for climbing power reasons. It has no problems, even without a low range. We'll start here from go. Uphill right now. For a top speed run. Let's see. Put on the GPS, 0 to 45-ish run here. maybe a computer tune later on down the road will be in order. The nice thing about the Pioneer is when you're flooring it, kind of like a modern car, it shifts very aggressively, whereas if you're just cruising, it shifts a lot sooner to get better mileage. See, second gear. So we're in third gear by 17 miles an hour. I'll switch it to manual mode. So I'm in first gear. Third gear. Then you can obviously downshift. It's not that useful. think I'm gonna wrap it up there. Just wanted to take you for a quick little ride in the Pioneer 700. Maybe you're considering this versus the 1000. I will say that if you plan to drive it out on the roads more, I'd probably go for the 1000. But if you plan to do more time on the trails, the 700 is a smaller, very nice option, which is why I bought it, because it does everything I need, and I actually wanted the smaller side. I've had both the 1000 and the 700, and I went back to a 700. So take that for what you will. If you have any questions, leave a comment, and until next time, we'll see you later.